I guess I gotta start off the video like this today, huh? About to go to Velocity Cuts. Basically do what I do best, man, on a daily. Cut hair, okay? This is what I do all the time, okay? No stop, okay? I don't quit, okay? We're just gonna go, so let's go. But before we go in there, YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm feeling real good today. Today is gonna be a blessed day. Today is gonna be another good day. Today is where I hand out so many blessings, alright? So why don't we just go in there? YouTube, when I get in, okay, when I get into work, main thing I do is clean my instruments. Some of you barbers out there, you start cleaning your instruments. I'm looking at your desk, and your stations is nasty. Some of y'all need to get up, start your day off right by just simply cleaning your instruments. Listen, YouTube, today is Tuesday. We get up early. We come in the shop at least 8:30, or sometimes my uncle, he show up a bit.
He got jokes. No, but it's very important that you get up and you pray. There's nothing wrong with praying over your shop. It's a good thing to acknowledge God in all that you do. Do you agree?
Yeah, I mean,
it's
what
real.
we do.
It's been real for us.
Before I open up this package, alright, I got a small little commercial / advertisement / I'll be back in a minute. So cue the music. YouTube, I got something in the mail from Denim. A lot of you guys may not know what I'm talking about, Denim. You may know the word denim, but then Denim, what is that? Denim is a clothing company based out of Los Angeles, bringing you guys the hottest street wear. Now, I've ordered from Denim like a few months ago, and let me tell you something when I tell you, the shipping is fast, okay? The shipping, if you ain't know nothing else about shipping, I ordered on a Wednesday and got it on a Friday. You talk about hyper, okay? They hyper with shipping. Don't get it twisted, you guys. I got the jeans on right now, okay? I got the Denim on right now. These are basically the solid black jeans. And what I like about these the most, basically the zipper action. It allows you to, boot cut basically your jeans. And this zipper is just so convenient because you don't wear your shoes all of the same, you know what I mean? Shoes are bulky, some shoes are low cut, some shoes are boot cut, you know what I mean? So you gotta wear your jeans over the shoe sometimes. So that's basically what I love about these jeans, that it comes with zippers. So let's just jump right into it and see what I picked up. So I got 3 pair of pants and 2 shirts. I'm gonna just review these one by one. So one thing I like about Denim, period, is that it's great quality jeans, all right? With this, I like the splatter across the jeans, the back, the front. I like the distress on the knee area on both sides. And I definitely like the fact that it has the zipper right here. This right here is a must. I kind of transfer all my jeans to this kind of zipper effect, so that's the reason why I really love Denim jeans. Again, with this jean right here, super dope quality. The quality is there, but one thing that stands out to me is this kind of fade effect that it brings to the jeans. The wash is nice. Got the little drawstring right here. And I'm also gonna do an on body with wearing all of these jeans, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I love black jeans, all right? That's one thing that I do love is black jeans. So I went ahead and grabbed these ones. This one right here got the stripe running down the side of it. Still got the zipper action. Zipper action is still there. Yeah, man, the quality of these jeans is nice. You know what I mean? These jeans are roughly about 60 bucks, and the quality is just there, man. They got the distressing going. You know what I mean? This is just, it's dope. Got the drawstring right here. Okay, so one thing about these shirts is that they're a lot wider than, you know, what I expected, but it's all about what it looks like on. So I'm gonna try all of this stuff on and give you guys the on body. Basically, these are just regular black and red t-shirts that they have on the site as well. Alright, YouTube, if you guys want to know where you can get these jeans, make sure you hit the link in the description below, hyperdenim.com. Make sure you guys use the 10% off 360 Jeezy promo code. Okay, I had to do it one time. I don't care, I had to do it. Make sure you guys use my code 360 Jeezy for 10% off. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Okay, the commercial was pretty long. I'm not gonna lie. It was a long time, okay? Listen, don't hold that against me. But right now, we're about to open this up and see what we got. So I just got the Get Beamed, the wireless compressor, and I got it in today. I'm about to spray this thing on everybody that needs it. Okay, so we're gonna test it out. So my client, he came down from Oakland and he kind of told me that his hairline is messed up, so don't trip. Then I thought to myself in the back of my mind, I said, he must not know who I am. Really? That's what we're doing? That's what we're doing? We're mocking each other today?
Yeah, buddy.
Okay. I'm ready for you, sir.
I'm ready for you too. Get it.
So Charles, how do you feel about velocity cuts?
Oh, it's amazing.
Talk to him.
It's amazing. This shop right here, Uncle Kev, you already know, taking care of the people. My boy 360 Jeezy, you already know, top-notch haircuts. Where else? Where else? Oh, I'm One Take Charles.
What's up, man? What's good? You know what I'm saying? This is real blood, you know what I'm saying? It's real family, you know what I'm saying? Rest of y'all pretenders, you know what I'm saying? This is real.
What up, Trinity?
What's up, man?
Love. Kev, talk to me. High five.
Give him some
High
love.
five. High five. Kev, don't do this to me.
Come on, Kev. That's Jared.
Look at the taper in the back.
You said just look at my taper in the back, that's it.
Kev. High five.
Give him some.
It's the camera. Huh?
Pound it, pound it, pound it.
Kev.
Give him some. Alright,
What a
cuz.
wise man once said.
Man,
though.
wise man once said, listen to another wise man. Stop listening to a fool. If you want to go up in school, talk to me. I'm just saying. If you want to level up, you got to listen up. Not just to any old person, not just to any old body. A wise man. If you want to get wisdom, why would you go to a fool for wisdom? Talk to me. Come on, man. Hey, man, turn it off because I ain't listening anyway. You know what I'm saying?
You're trying to hear me.